What's up everybody, George from Adventure GT. And as you can see, there is snow everywhere. But guess what? That's not going to stop me from making my video. So today, I finally got them in the mail. I got the fog lights. I got me the fog lights. I'm going to be putting them on today. Be very simple. It's very similar to the DRLs. Same idea. So if you ever do your DRLs or fog lights, I recommend you get them at the same time. That way you don't have to go back and do it again. But it's very simple. So we're going to go through the steps again. Except this time we'll go for the fog lights. So before we get started, I do have the lights I'm going to show you. I pre-opened them, but not quite all the way. I just opened the box to look at them, but I actually haven't taken them out of the case yet. I am using these ALLA lightings. I think it's, yeah, here we go. Advanced LED lighting for automotives. That's what the ALLA stands for. So I did have to return the first ones I got. They actually were too big. They wouldn't fit in my fog light unit. So I had to return them. Luckily, they were able to work with me. They said they'll send me the right ones that work with my car. And I got them, finally got them. It was a little bit on my fault why it's delayed. I ended up getting sick and I had to wait quarantine for 2 weeks, but finally got the lights, finally have the chance to do it. It is cold and snowy, but you know, it's not gonna stop me. So let's go ahead and open these up. One thing I gotta be careful is with any LED lights or lights you touch, you don't wanna touch the actual light itself. You can burn them out, even with LEDs. Now these things look pretty cool actually. So you can see it's got, if it can focus, there we go. As you can see, it's got the LED chip there, and on the opposite side, this is a little kind of hard to see. I am using the sun, the little bit of sun we have left. We'll see how these work. Hopefully they just don't throw a fault. If they do, we'll try something different. But that's what the LED looks like. The other one, same thing. There's no point in showing you the other one. But let's go ahead and start with the install. First thing you want to do, like in the DRL video, you want to make sure you crank your wheel either to the left or to the right, just so you can access that panel. So you can access the panel right there. Now it's kind of dirty, but this panel is what we want. And you got your 2 Phillips head screws that we need to take out. Now because there's snow on the floor, you definitely don't want to drop it, at least for me. We'll do that. I'll get the screwdriver out and we'll start doing this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Let's start with unscrewing these Phillip head screws. We'll get the second one out and then we'll pull the whole thing off. Perfect. I'm gonna put this up top so I don't lose it. Okay, so when we go to reach in for them, we know the DRLs are up top and the fog light should be on the bottom. So as you stick your hand in, this should be the first thing towards the bottom. And when you grab it, grab the whole unit piece and turn it, it should be counterclockwise. All right, so these are your OEM lights. You should be able to lift this little plastic piece up, little pin up, and pull them out. There we go. Now we will save these in case something happens to our LEDs. Let me put them away. I'll grab us the LED. Okay, we'll go ahead and plug them in. Perfect. You can see it already kind of has some of that afterburn light going. So good sign that it's lighting up. Let's go ahead and shove it back in and go to the next side. Alright guys, we're on the other side now. So we'll do the same thing as the opposite side. Unscrew these. The top one. This one's giving me a little bit of a problem. It doesn't want to come out. So tell you what we're going to do. We're just going to lift this up pull this out and just let it slide down. Just like that. I don't recommend doing that, but I can't get this guy out. So instead of breaking it, we're just gonna have to deal with it. Alright, so same thing. Reach your hand straight in, grab the fog light, twist it, pull it out. Put that away. And carefully I'll grab this light and we'll switch it out. Alright, let's plug her in. Nice. Alright. Alright, simple as that. Now let's flip this guy back. Put it back in like it's supposed to be. Alright. Once you have it all in, screw it back together. Then you're done with the install. Now let's turn on the car, or at least turn the lights on and see how it looks in the front. Alrighty, looks like all the LEDs are working. They look pretty good, but the real test is the night glare. They look pretty good right now, but the real test is at night. Let's go check out the inside, see if we're getting any sort of fault. We're inside the car right now. As you can see, it is showing that the fog lights are on. Shut them off. No sort of error or code read. Back on. So far so good. There's no errors, no code, no warning light. Yeah, that's good. It's definitely a good thing. We'll go on a drive at night and we'll see how they look. Alright guys, as you can see now it's nighttime. Took it out to a local park where it's kind of dark out here, and right now I just have pure fog lights on, and man, they're pretty bright. They look pretty bright straight ahead. Let's turn the other way, see how they look. I get some pretty decent ground cover. Let's turn on the headlights, turn off the fog lights, turn them back on, see how it looks all together. Right now I have all headlight. Now that's the fog lights. Not bad. Okay, right now I have all headlight, and let's throw on the fog lights. Okay, there's a little difference. Headlights, fog lights. It'd be good if you're driving at night on some dark highways, looking for deer. Gives you that extra little side. But I think it looks all good. Let's look how it looks all together. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks neat. You got the headlights, you got the fog lights, and the DRLs. All the same Axiom white. Alright, they look good. What's up everybody? We're back inside. So before I close off the video, I just want to say, hope you guys had a good Christmas. Everyone was healthy. You guys had fun, all that good stuff, and a good New Year. Because I think I'm going to post this video sometime after the New Year. There's a lot we have planned, both me and Jake have planned for 2021. Hopefully everything gets better, you know, with everything going on around the world. Hopefully this coming year is going to be better for us all. And we'll be able to do more stuff. I know we have plans to travel, do a lot more kind of off-roading stuff, obviously doing some more upgrades. But I had a question for you guys. What else should I do? There's plenty that I want to do, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. I could do more interior stuff. There's some decals I want to add to mine that's going to change the look of it completely. But I'm just curious to know what you guys think. So leave a comment below. There's definitely some things I want to do, but I want to know what you guys think or what you guys want to see. I'm considering doing a lift kit, possibly doing some springs, you know, bring it up some for sure. And I'm definitely going to do some tires this coming year. I'm just waiting until winter is over with a little bit so I could do a little off-roading with some newer tires. One other thing I want to show you guys, we got, boom, we got some shirts. I actually surprised Jake this Christmas with some of these shirts. They're just kind of for us right now, but if maybe in the future we'll get some made out. But yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you guys before we end the video. I look forward to 2021. We're expecting to do a lot more, so hopefully we get more subscribers. We would like to see our channel grow. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and hope you guys had a good holiday and New Year. See you guys. Stay safe. George for Adventure GT, signing off.